Using snapshots inside Easy Security Light can allow you to roll back permissions. You copy all security-related data to a new tables. You can restore access controls and you can restore permissions from a snapshot. It also allows you to actually look at changes over time, so you can see at users, permission sets and companies being added, or changes to access controls and permissions in there. But let's take a look at how this works in Easy Security Light. So you have snapshots, and you can always go down and just create a new snapshot in there. It basically now takes a copy of the current permission, and I can see I actually had 150 more actually added in here since last time. If I wanted to, I can of course go down in my snapshot, look at my permission sets, look at for each of these ones, go down and look at this edit customer in here, and look at my permissions in here, and see all of them in here. I can also go in and look at the different versions of it. So if I actually went to permission sets, and in here, in my Easy Security Light, I would be able to find permission sets, and I earlier used some of the sales receivables permission sets down here, my quote order invoice post, and I can actually look at my different snapshots. I guess it was sales receivable and not service management. And I'll be able to look at my different snapshot of this one, and I can see one that only have 92 and actually restore permissions to that level in here. And I can now see my live permissions changing in here. I can of course also go restore them to the most current one in here. Same thing goes for users, where I can go in and take a look at Susan, for example, and if I look at the snapshots of Susan, I can see there's different number of permissions in here, and I can always go restore access controls in here to a different level in here, and now Susan got the 10 permissions back again in here. So this one allows an easy way of restoring users, but of course I can also use them to look at data, and one thing we actually capture is the company names that are in here currently. We would also capture all the users and all the permission sets and allow you over time to see when a user was added and so on. The permission sets are used automatically when you actually import new permissions. With the import permission sets up here, it will create a snapshot automatically for you. So, but the snapshots allow you basically to roll back data to a previous stage or look at how data was earlier in